Hey guys, well, as you know, the other day I bought another strip blower, and of course my guys at Yankee Machine came through. I ordered this about 4 days ago. I ordered one of their rebarrel kits, and I will tag a link to that in the description. And let's see exactly what you get for $130. So you get the Yankee Hill compensator there, packaged nicely. The low profile gas block. Hopefully we get another sticker. The Yankee Hill Machine gas tube. And the barrel that I went with was a 16-inch barrel. It should be the diamond flute, I think that's what they call. Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. Oh, I cannot wait to go through this. And they did not send me a sticker this time. I'm pretty let down. If you guys at Yankee Hill Machine watch this, you need to make sure you get me a sticker in the mail. I always love their stuff. So let's open up this barrel here. It's packaged really well. The shipping on this was incredibly fast. Like, super fast. I still haven't got a upper receiver yet for it. I plan on buying another one of their billet upper receivers. I just don't, well, they don't have them in stock right now, otherwise I'd order one. And I'm going to, of course, order one of their handguards. Let's see here how she comes out. Alright, so it's packaged nicely. Let's get it open here and see what we got, see what we're working with. I know I probably need something soft to set this barrel down on. It is the 1-in-7 twist. So, I thought I ordered a 1-in-9, but I may have made a mistake. So, but that's fine. That'll be just fine. Let's look at this fluting and everything. Or I call it fluting. I'm telling you, their stuff is really packaged well. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Very nice. Very nice. Nothing but quality in my opinion. Let's look at the crown on it. It looks very good. Alright guys, so there will be more to come. I plan on, of course, ordering one of their upper receivers just as soon as they get in stock, and I will make a video on how to assemble it. Most of their barrel nuts do require a specialty tool, and I have one for the Yankee Hill Machine gas blocks, or sorry, for the Yankee Hill Machine barrel nuts. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.